Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, your online gateway to success in ISS exam. So we have been completing the syllabus of Econometrics, which comes in the paper 3 descriptive type, and today we will discuss what all things we have done, what all things have we left with, and the strategy, how to prepare for your ISS exam, what things to do and what things to avoid during these crucial times. So let us begin. Now, what we have discussed earlier, econometrics. We have discussed almost all the okay. So we have discussed almost nature of econometrics. What do we mean by econometrics and how does it come into force? Then the general linear model. General linear model is multiple linear model, which is both are same, and its extensions. Extensions of general linear model, ordinary least square estimation of this, OLS estimation and prediction. First, we have found out what are the OLS estimators, beta 1 cap, beta naught cap, and then what are the predictions, what are the hypothesis testing, what is confidence interval, what is unbiasedness, and what are variances. All those predictions we have done. Then generalized least square for multiple linear regression model. We have discussed this technique, which is known as generalized least square estimation and prediction. Again, in this, we have found out beta cap and its prediction, unbiasedness, variance, confidence interval, and that hypothesis testing. Then heteroscedastic disturbances, pure and mixed estimation. Pure and mixed estimation also we have done. Then when the estimation is only for one variable, when it is for two variable or more than two variable. Now autocorrelation. This is one of the problems in the model. This also we have done. What are its consequences in the model and how can we improve it? Its test. Then Thiel's process. This is we are left with this one. We will discuss in the end of the class. Then multicollinearity problem also we have discussed its implications and tools for handling the problem. Ridge regression, which is one of the most important tool for multicollinearity, also we have discussed, and we have done a question based on this, PYQ based on this as well. Then is linear regression and stochastic regression. This is simple linear regression model, and stochastic regression is all those models which are statistically dependent and which are not deterministic but statistic. All those models or regression models are known as stochastic regression. Then instrumental variable estimation, we have discussed this as well, and yesterday also in the class we were discussing what is weak instruments and how is weak instrument affect the problem of simultaneous equation model, and why do we use 3SLS method because of the presence of weak instruments. Then error in variables. This also we have discussed when variables have error. Then autoregressive linear regression. These three, autoregressive linear regression, lagged variable, distributed lagged variables, estimation by OLS methods, these three topics we have discussed in one of the lectures, in which I have told you what are these, and mostly one PYQ also we have done on this, and mostly in these topics there the PYQs are define them, what how they affect the model, the things that we have done in the class only, that you can write it as it is, you will get full marks. Then Cauchy's geometric lag model. This also we discussed in the same class, and this was also one of the PYQ that we discussed in the class. Then simultaneous linear equations model and its generalization. This also we have been doing simultaneous equation model, its reduced form, rank, order condition, this identification problem, whether it is over identified, unidentified, or exactly identified, restriction on structured parameters. This also we have done, that what are the restrictions on structured parameters. Then rank and order correlation condition, rank and order condition, when that capital M small m minus 1 is less than capital K minus 1 minus K. Then we have over identification. And when we compare for order condition, then we compare for rank of Q and capital M minus 1. Now again, what are we doing? Estimation in simultaneous equation model. Yesterday, in day before yesterday's lecture, we have discussed what are the estimation in simultaneous equation model, and what are the how do we solve them. Then recursive system. Recursive system is nothing but that, what do we call, reduced form. Recursive system or reduced form of equations, that also we have done. Then 2SLS estimation method, limited information estimators, which we have done yesterday only. K class estimator is left, which we will do in the upcoming class. Then 3SLS estimator also we have done. Full information maximum likelihood method also we have done. So we are left with only two topics: K class estimation and prediction and simultaneous confidence interval. These two topics are left, and one is Thiel-Brush process. These three topics are left, which we are going to cover in the upcoming class, and that will complete all your econometrics syllabus, and that will complete one major portion of our paper 3. Then the other portion is applied statistics and sampling. Then after this we will start with sampling, and after that we will start with applied statistics, and all these will take time. So you should also start doing things, you should start doing revision as we are doing here. You should first do with us, and then with your books or notebooks, however you find the question, or you should start doing PYQs. If you have any doubt, then you can ask us on our channel, WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel, or even in the comment section. Any doubts, any relevant doubts will be answered, and many of you have been asking doubts. That is a very good thing. I want all of you who are watching videos should ask their doubts, because this is not an easy topic, and mostly this is not covered under statistics in most of the universities. So this might be new to every one of you. So doubts will come, that is mandatory. So each one should ask doubt. Now talking about what are the what are the timetable you should follow. So while preparing, if you are going with our lecture videos, you should firstly start with econometrics. By video you should do every lecture and understand every topic. After every topic you should search for your PYQs, whether that topic is in any PYQ, and try to solve them. If you are able to solve them, then well and good. If not, then ask your doubt to us. And then after finishing econometrics, you should from Monday to Friday you should do these videos, and in Saturday and Sunday you should revise what all you have done in these videos. And then again, after after econometrics we'll start with sampling. Then you should start with sampling with us. Then from Saturday to Sunday, these 2 days should be reserved for your revision. These 2 days, you should also focus on English and GS. Now, simultaneously, our GS, our English class is also going, where Vibhuti ma'am is teaching you idioms and phrases. That also you should follow. That also you should keep on following, because English syllabus is vast. Idioms and phrases, correct the sentences, and all those things. That is vast. So day by day, when you will do it on a regular basis, and keep your 2 days reserved for the revision, then you will be able to score good marks in the exam. Because at the end you will not look for videos, or you will not look for a new topic to cover and anything of that sort. You will just have to revise and give your paper, because the those 3 days are very hectic one. You won't get any time for revision. So before the exam till February or March, when notification comes, your whole syllabus should be completed, and you should have revised it thoroughly till June. From March till June, you'll be having 3 months. That will be ample of time. And or you should also stay away from some of the things, like you should stay away from social media, spending your times on reels uselessly. That is a very dangerous thing for your exam, because for as you know that this exam has very less vacancy. So cut down your distractions, do some meditation or do some exercises in your home for refreshment, or for in breaks you can listen to good music, or you can just revise things in your mind. You can go for a walk in nature. You can do things like this instead of being on phone every time. So that's it. You can read good books. Self-help books are there. Many self-help books are there. You can read that. That will also improve your English vocabulary, and that will make you gain new words which you can use in your paragraph writing, and your that essay writing in the exam. That would be very useful for you. And uh, all everything else you know very well, what to avoid and what not to. If this syllabus is almost done, econometrics is almost done, and from next week onwards, or before that even, we will start with sampling, and that would be a longer topic. So you have to be patient with us. And after sampling, we will do applied statistics. Along with this, I would like you to start preparing for the those papers like computer and official statistics. You can just read them. You can just give them some reading day by day, because that is also vast syllabus, and that can also not be done in 1 day or 2 day. That will we will cover in class as well, but that is dependent upon you. There is nothing to be explained, because basic computer knowledge is required everywhere, and everyone knows that. And official statistics is also for reading purposes and for learning purposes. There is no logic, or there is no derivation in it, there in it. So yes, you have to start with that as well. And you have to see what all topics you will choose for paper 4, because paper 4 consists of 7 topics. Out of them, you have to choose any two. So choose wisely. Choose those topics which you can do in limited time. Don't choose two topics of numerical, or two topics which are only theory, because that will waste a lot of your time in the exam. So choose one numerical and one theory topic, so that you can manage the time in the exam and score well in the fourth paper as well. So that's it for today. I hope you got what we have done today. Uh, and if you have any doubt, or if you are struggling with whatever you are doing, then you can ask your doubt on our WhatsApp channel or comment section. Thank you.